Okay. 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen as presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, walking around, or driving. When your case is called, please give your full undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor. I mean, afternoon, Your Honor.
Afternoon, Mr. Petway. Do you have,
Mr. Rutledge, you have to sit up. You can't have your head on your head. And Mr. Brian, everyone be still. And when the judge call your name, then that's when you address.
All right.
Judge, could you do Mr. Rambis first?
I'm sorry, Rambis, Roselle Rambis?
Yes.
first is Roselle Rambis, ticket number P1389009, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. 1 second. Ticket number P1389005, count 1, improper left turn, count 2, operator or front seat passenger failed to wear safety belt, and count 3, defective windshield. Good morning, please say your names for the record. Good afternoon, please say your names for the record, starting with the attorney.
Yes, Your Honor. For the record, Melissa Vinik, P53750, appearing on behalf of Roselle Rambis. Mr. Rambis, will you please say your name for the record?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Roselle Rambis.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, how does your client wish to proceed, Ms. Vinik?
At this time, Your Honor, what we are asking for is for this matter to be set for a pretrial. I do believe that we can get a resolution at another court date.
All right, so we'll set this for a pretrial, which will be in 2 weeks on February 16th at 8:35.
Thank you.
Get that date, Mr. Rambis?
You said 2 weeks, February 16th,
8:35.
8:35. Okay, thank you.
And Your Honor, is that the same Zoom ID? That would be the same courtroom?
Yes, ma'am.
So that would be still courtroom 334, Mr. Rambis.
Okay, Evan.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you want me to do Dorsey before his stuff?
Yes, that's fine. We can do Dorsey.
Mr. Dorsey, unmute your device. Mr. Dorsey, unmute your device. No, I'm talking to Mr. Dorsey, Mr. Simone Dorsey.
Oh, we got you.
All right, this is the people versus Simone Dorsey ticket. Oh, wait a minute. This is the one he wanted to, okay.
Correct.
He has a lot of other cases. He has a lot of cases in warrant status, Ms. Vinik. So,
Oh, he has a lot of cases in warrant status? All right, well then, he's not able to. I just have the one case on my docket.
No, they're in warrant status. So he probably wants to package everything up and get a deal and everything.
Yes, he does.
So we want to set this for a pretrial, or you want to just set it for a bench trial?
Set for a bench trial, Your Honor.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Dorsey.
His
You're
device.
unmuted. You unmute yourself, Mr. Let me call the case first. This is the people versus Simone Dorsey, ticket number P1390283. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. We're also here on ticket number 104745573. Count 1, no operator's license in possession. Count 2, insurance never acquired. Count 3, unregistered motor vehicle. Ticket number 114844618. Count 1, no operator's license in possession. Ticket number 154212141. Count 1, drive on suspended license. Ticket number 154743132. Count 1, no operator's license in possession. Count 2, operate uninsured motor vehicle and operate unregistered vehicle. Ticket number $1,0489379, count 3, drove while license not valid or improper, and ticket number P376329, count 1, driving register or entitled vehicle, count 2, drove while unlicensed, and lastly, ticket number 08501329, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not in person. Good afternoon, please say your names for the record.
For the record, Your Honor, Melissa Vinik, P53750, appearing on behalf of Simone Dorsey. Mr. Dorsey, please state your name for the record. Mr. Dorsey? Simone Dorsey. I see you. Mr. Dorsey, can you please state your name for the record?
Me?
No,
Oh, okay, cool.
Simone.
I hear you, Dorsey. I'm like,
Simone Dorsey. Simone Dorsey. Is Mr. Dorsey? There we go. Mr. Dorsey, please state your name for the record. What is your name?
he's not connected to audio.
Simone? He was able to speak with me in the breakout room, so Simone?
Set this for a bench trial. I mean, I normally would do a waiver, but. Mr. Dorsey, can you hear us? You can hear, I can, we'll move on. All right, this is the people versus Keith Rougeau, ticket number P1388413, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, driving register entitled vehicle, ticket number P1388411, count 1, registration and or plate violation, no plate, count 2, failed to properly secure passenger child, and count 3, improper address license. Good afternoon, please say your name for the record.
For the record, Your Honor, Melissa Vinik, P53750, appearing on behalf of Heath Rougeau, who I do see is present here today. Say your name, Mr. Rougeau.
Heath Rougeau.
Yes, Your Honor, at this time, we will be setting these matters for a bench trial. However, my client did state to me that he does not even live in the city of Detroit. He lives in Grand Rapids. He states that this was not him. I explained to him to please contact the Secretary of State if he feels that there were any issues.
All right, yeah, it sounds like a question of fact, so he wants to set this for a bench trial?
He wants to set this for a bench trial, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Rougeau. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
I do.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea. Set this for a bench trial for February 21st at 9 o'clock. It's on Zoom.
And Mr.
Okay.
Rougeau, it is at the same court, and it is the same Zoom ID
Okay.
as you used today.
That 23/9/30.
February 21st at 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, 21st.
February 21st at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
All All right, this is the people versus Jay Rutledge, ticket number P13844458, count one, fail to stop the stop sign, count two, driver's license never acquired. Good afternoon, please say your names for the record.
For the record, Your Honor, Melissa Vinek, P53750, appearing on behalf of Jay Rutledge. Mr. Rutledge, will you please state your name for the record?
J. Aaron Rutledge Jr.
Yes. Your Honor, at this time, if we can set this matter for a pre-trial, I do believe that there will be a resolution in this matter.
We'll set it for a free trial. The next date is February 16th at 8:35.
Thank you.
You're all set. You're all set, Mr. Rougeau, as well. You guys can hang up.
Okay. Thank you.
This is the people versus Shanetta Roberts, ticket number P138487, count one, no insurance misdemeanor, count two, supply false information and or ID to police officer, ticket number P138475, count one, disregard traffic control device. Good afternoon, please say your names for the record.
For the record. Sorry, go ahead.
Oh, I was just saying my name, Shanetta Roberts. I
Okay.
thought you were talking to me.
And for the record, Your Honor, Melissa Vinek, P53750, appearing on behalf of Shanetta Roberts. Your Honor, on the docket that I have, I just have two cases. You mentioned, I believe, more than what I have on the docket.
I don't, there's a civil infraction that came along with this ticket. I'm not sure why it's not on the docket. But,
I just have the file ending in 871 and 872.
Yeah, it says it's closed. Oh, she made payment on it. Okay, she paid it. So. That's why it's down on the docket. She paid it.
Okay, that's good. So there are only 871 and 872 on the docket for today. Yes. Your Honor, my client did forward to me some images. Again, I'm not the city attorney is what I advised her. So at this time, what I did suggest is to put it over for a pretrial.
What did she forward you?
So Shanetta Roberts, I'll tell you what she forwarded me. She forwarded me a copy of her no-fault insurance with an expiration date of July the 26th of 2023. And this would be on a 2014 Dodge Durango.
Okay. Well, does she have a valid license?
And as far as her license, she did forward me a copy of her license. It was issued on February the 4th, 2020, and it expires on September the 20th, 23. So it was valid at the time. And it is in her name, Shanetta Regina Roberts.
Correct.
All right, with that, we stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulate.
Without prejudice, you're all set, Ms. Roberts. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry, we could not hear you. So the matter is dismissed. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
You can leave, Ms. Roberts.
Okay, thank you.
This is the people versus Robert Rowe, ticket number SP1399336, count one, no proof of insurance, and SP1399331, count one, drive and register or title vehicle. Good afternoon, please say your name, sir.
For the record, Your Honor, Melissa Vinek, P53750, appearing on behalf of Robert Rowe. Mr. Rowe, will you please state your name?
Robert Rowe.
Thank you. Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Rowe, he did forward me, or did show me a copy of his insurance on a 2004 Honda Accord, which expires on July the 6th, 2023. And he also showed me his registration on the 2004 Honda Accord, which expires on June the 13th, 23.
Stipulate to probable cause, Ms. Minor?
So stipulate, Your Honor.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Rowe. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, appreciate it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, this is the people versus Brian Drost, ticket number U 5647520, count 1 narcotic and drug violations, and ticket number SP 1307581, count 1 drove while license not valid or improper. Good afternoon. Please say your name, Mr. Clark.
For the record, Your Honor, Melissa Vinik, P 53750, appearing on behalf of Brian Drost. Mr. Drost, will you please state your name for the record?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Brian Lawrence Drosty.
Thank you. Your Honor, this matter is actually not on the docket for today. And what my client states to me is that he wanted to log into his driver's class. And he was not able to do so, and he was told, I don't know if these matters, if there are anything that needs to be set aside, but he was not able to log into his driver restoration class, and I do not find them on the docket for today.
As Mr. Joe's probably, I'm not sure what's going on, and the prosecutor probably would need to look at this.
Well, right. At the time, Your Honor, I had 3 pending felonies. I had the misdemeanors, and I had another case I was supposed to take the driver responsibility course for. Everything's cleared up, except, I mean, I'm in probation now in Macomb County from Wayne County for my felonies. I took the plea. I'm all set there. Now I have this driver responsibility course I have to complete for tomorrow. So when I went to try to log in for the judge's name, it never popped up. Wouldn't pop up. So that's called the court clerk. And this wasn't even the same case.
You have to take the driver training course through Macomb.
I already logged in and paid for it though. No, because his name, I have his name there right here that I was supposed to use.
Here's the thing, Mr. Drosty. The 2 cases that you have before this court, I don't think they would really require driver's improvement. So I would suggest you come back to either, I would suggest you could either set this for trial, or you could set this for a pre-trial where a prosecutor would be present and can either work something out.
Okay, I mean,
I would relay all of that to the lawyer so they can tell that to the prosecutor.
right. And also, Your Honor, I paid the fine, $120 I was supposed to pay, but it still shows up as not unpaid.
I think, I really think you should come back with the prosecutor.
All right, no problem.
Do you want to set
So-
this for a pre-trial or a bench trial?
We can set this for a bench trial, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Drosty. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial? Do you
Pardon
understand
me?
you have the right to? Do you understand?
Yes,
you
Your
have the
Honor.
right- Okay, has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea. Set this for a bench trial date for February 21st. Two things can happen on that date. The cops can show up and you can either have a trial or you can make a plea because the prosecutor's offers you something, or the officers don't show up, and if that happens, this will likely be dismissed.
So, Your Honor, if may I have one more question? February 21st at what time?
9 o'clock?
Would I use the same login ID?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Ms. Minnick. This is the people versus, you're all set, Mr.
Almost
Brody. This is the people versus Reginald Ramsey, ticket number P1388216, count 1, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and then ticket number P1388210, count 1, pass on right. Good afternoon, please say your names for the record.
For the
Good
record,
morning,
Your
Your
Honor.
Honor.
Oh.
Go ahead, Reginald Ramsey.
And for the record, Your Honor, Melissa Vinik, P53750, appearing on behalf of Reginald Ramsey. At this time, Your Honor, I believe that there will be a resolution in this matter. And at this time, I believe that we're asking for a pretrial date in this matter.
All right, so the court will set this for a pretrial date for February 16th at 8:35.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You got that date, Mr. Ramsey?
Yeah, you said 16th at 8:35?
Yes, sir. If you can, try to call in, try to zoom in on your phone with the camera.
It said it won't work on Facebook. What should I do? FaceTime. How
It's
do
not
I log in?
FaceTime. You need to download the app. You gotta download.
Oh, I gotta
Zoom.
download the app. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
So download the app and then sign up for it, and then you should be able to zoom in.
So, the 16th at what time?
8:35?
8:35?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't see any more.
Hello?
Yes, but Reginald Ramsey.
So I don't know what happened with Simone Dorsey, but we'll just give him a trial date.
Set him for trial.
Yeah.
Now on Simone Dorsey, I know that did somebody just come? No.